fams, this is Sonal and you're watching Teentastic Crafts. Hope you'll enjoy watching this video. So for making the car, we'll require a sheet of measurement 29 into 18 centimeters and then we'll fold it into halves. In the next step, we'll score at the points 7, 14, 21 and 28 centimeters and fold them accordingly. Now we'll cut the markings as shown. Isn't our car looking a bit sad? Why not add some splash of colors in it? And for this, I have used some colorful sheets of measurement 6.5 into 7.5 centimeters. Now we'll take a strip of measurement 11 into 2.5 centimeters and score at the points 2 and 9 centimeters. Now we'll take one more similar strip and stick it accordingly. Now we'll add some stickers in our car, which is the main attraction of it. These stickers are drawn by me, hence you can also draw them for yourself. You can also use printed birthday theme stickers instead of drawing them. Now the very last step is to give our card a proper closure, and for this I have taken a strip of measurement 26 into 5 centimeters, and then I have punched holes on both the ends of the strip. Here I am using some golden eyelets for giving a finished look to my card. Now we'll tie the ends of the strip together with the help of a thread. Here I have used a dual toned paper thread. Now our card is absolutely ready to bring a pretty smile on the faces of our loved ones. Here is the shout out to all those lovely teen fams who have supported my channel throughout with their lovely comments.